Today, we will be making strawberries. Grab your pencil and follow along. Start by making a heart shape on the right side of the paper. Add a stem on top with 2 leaves on the side. Draw a leaf-like shape on the inside. Draw another leaf-like shape outside it. Using squiggly lines, add a curvy border around the shape you just drew. Add some black-colored shapes to the drawing, like so. We will draw the other half of the fruit on the left. Start by making a curvy shape and adding leaves and a stem. Add lines in the middle of the leaves. Add little dots to the outside of the strawberry. Finally, add color to the drawing using green, pink and red. For more Drawing Factory tutorials, like and subscribe.